So I've been asking around on the forums and the problems I have with the Vmax. It's supposed to be a snowstorm coming here, South Jersey and Philadelphia area. So got a lot of advice. Great job, guys. Giving me a lot of help on this. Told to check the coils. Check airbox. Got to take these screws out. Check the carbs. Someone said put some sea foam to see maybe if anything is there. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know what's up with this lighting. It's like in the evening. So start taking the screws out one by one. I don't want to drop any, so let me get to these screws and I'll come back. So got all the screws out. We'll just lift this up. Hopefully I don't see a nest or something in there. What I've been told. Okay. I don't know. I think I gotta disconnect something here. Let me just take this thing off. These right here. Sorry. So I can get this thing fully off of here. I remember where all these screws go. There's like two different type of threading on these screws. So get that out. And this should come right off. And voila. This is what I see. It looks pretty decent. Down here looks pretty decent too. So I don't know. All right. Can I say here? That moves. Okay. Okay, that moves back and forth. It's like a suction. I can hear it. This one over here. It's not. Which way is this one? One goes one way. Alright, so the ones on the right seem to be functioning properly. They go in and out. The ones on the left, it's not moving. It's like stuck. Alright, I think I took the box out. As you can see, sorry about that. It's very hard to go in and out. It's not, and it's like sticking. These are okay on this side. These are okay on this side. This one fully goes in. So it looks like it's okay. What are you guys' thoughts on that? Does that look good or does it look bad? This one, I don't know what's up with this one. It's like sticking. This one over here is really not doing anything. It's slowly coming out. Alright, so I'm gonna have a problem here with these carbs. I found in the air filter. We got neighbors in the air filter. So yeah, I think I'm about to change this air filter. The thing is, can I get it at AutoZone? No idea. They never have anything. And I'm about to go to Advanced Auto. You can order it online. Get a Can-Am filter, extra couple of horsepowers. We'll see. Anyway, I don't know. Again, I gotta see what's going on with that. Is there something I can use to clean it? I hear people say don't use carburetor spray cleaner, don't do this, don't do that. Any recommendations what I could use? Let me know. I'm just gonna get this garlic all smashed up so I can add it as part of the marinade. I have some scallion, aka spring onions. I have the garlic in here, black pepper, sugar, fish sauce, oil, and basically I'm gonna cut these up and I'm gonna dice these up. I only have one hand, so just follow what I'm doing here. Just cut them up, and it's hard to cut with one hand, but it's okay. It's okay. I got a sharp knife. Yeah, thought I had a sharp knife. So basically, that's it. Cutting everything up. So now I have all the ingredients. Don't need an onion. I'm just going to mix everything together. The soy sauce, the scallion, the spring onion, all the ingredients that I have here. I might need to make some more of this because I'm cooking like 6 pork chops. This is only good enough for maybe 2. So let me I'm gonna just do 2 pork chops today and then see how that works out. Hopefully it turns out pretty great. So I made a decision to just marinate everything. No need to save anything. So I was able to make more the marinade. Now I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 hour. I'm gonna run to CVS real quick and wait until the hour has passed. I'm gonna cover it with plastic saran wrap and stick it in the fridge for an hour. Then when I come back, this is best done on a grill, but I'm gonna just cook it in the oven, bake it in the oven, and we'll see what the finished product tastes like. My first time making Vietnamese pork chops. Hopefully it tastes good, but we'll see.